Hello from Jordan Farrington Commercials. Here we have an ISUZU D-Max Yukon Fury. So auto, 163 brake horsepower, obviously four-wheel drive. This particular vehicle was our tow truck. We've got to a point now where so many motors are moving from this yard that we're using a delivery company for everything. So literally we're just using this to go to and from shops, pick up the odd part. So it was really no use to us anymore, so we thought we'd sell it. Obviously it's been meticulously looked after. A private plate comes with it. So this is actually a 2019 registered date. So it is Euro 6 ULEZ. Obviously tow bar with electrics. It's a 1.9 diesel engine. I think it's just over 113,000 miles. Obviously meticulously cared for and looked after by ourselves, never let us down. I'll show you the back. The back's actually in excellent condition because we never really use this part of the vehicle. Same with the seats, all in tip-top condition. USB port in the back, which is also quite useful. These seats in excellent condition. Little repair mark just there. Obviously, because we care for our staff, we've had a nice little ANDRIOD system put in. Got the built-in reverse camera, TACHO, all the other usual mod cons. Any other questions, please give us a shout.